Hey everybody, it's Walter here with Coastal Caters. In this video I'm going to show you how to make grill marks on a steak, and it's pretty simple to do. And here we're going to be using a George Foreman Grill, but it works for any kind of grill, and it works for steaks, chicken, whatever you're going to be cooking or grilling. So work that with the George Foreman Grill. The difference is going to be that it's going to cook from both sides, the top and the bottom, at the same time. On a standard outdoor grill, it's going to just cook from the bottom. But what you're going to do is going to be the same. And what you want to do is you want to take your steak, and I'm going to take this steak right here, and I'm going to see how the grill looks like. You can say it's at 12 o'clock, like the face of a clock. What you want to do is you want to lay your steak at what would roughly be 10 o'clock here. And you want to start off your steak that way. And then we're going to go ahead and close the top and let it cook off for just a minute. And one thing to point out here is you're going to have grill marks, like I said, on these George Foreman grills on the top and at the bottom at the same time. But on a standard grill, you're only going to have it on the bottom. So when you do this to the steak that you're cooking on an outdoor grill, you want to make sure that the bottom side is going to be the presentation side. That's the side you're going to present on the plate. So you want to make sure that's the side that has the really good grill marks. Once you flip it over from there, the other side you can just cook off. But you want to cook basically a quarter way done this way. Then we're going to spin it, quarter way done that way. Then when you flip it, you can just finish cooking it off. So, let this cook for just another minute here, get some better grill marks on it, and then we'll check back in just a second. So now we're going to go ahead and check on this one, and you can see from the top that it's grilled that way. So now we want to take it and we want to put it, like the clock's facing 2 o'clock now, and we're going to go ahead and close the top again and let it finish cooking off. If you haven't had a chance yet to subscribe to our channel, if you go ahead and do that now, that'd be great. We'd really appreciate that. Or give us a like. We'd appreciate that also. And now, as you can see, since this one's cooking from both sides, you can see the grill marks here, the diamond grill marks. But I'm going to go ahead and flip it over, just show you the bottom in case you're just using a regular outdoor grill. And we'll look at the bottom here, and you see the same diamonds. So once again, just remember, start your steak off at 2 o'clock, if this is your clock face, and then finish it off at 2 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock. And once again, this is Walter with Coastal Caters, and this is how you put grill marks on a steak or any other chicken you might be cooking. This is how you do it. It's pretty simple. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we look forward to tune in some more to our videos, and have a great day. Thanks.